Alright guys, well it's time for the unboxing. It's me, Daniel, with Sensational, and I was going to bring you guys an unboxing today. I got my Scentsy kit in today. So here we go. We're going to unbox it and see what all we got, okay? Let's see, the first things first is we got Jasmine White Tea scent stickers. These are scratch and sniff, so they're really good for mailers, Happy Mail, stuff like that. We got thank you cards. Those are real cool. Those are good for Happy Mail. We got enliven your senses with Scentsy. These are good for Happy Mail as well. To go into the thank you stuff. We got Buddy Clip, Clover the Cow. Packaging. This up. Oh, how cute. Little buddy clip. You can put this in your car, give it to your kid, maybe as a present. These are always cool. Collect them, whatever you want to do with that. He smells good. He is in Black Raspberry Vanilla. So this is Clover the Cow Buddy Clip. And all this stuff, you guys, is going to be on my Scentsy website at mesensational.scentsy.us. So if you see anything you like, go on over there. We got pineapple coconut hand cream. Already opened this earlier. Me and Mom had to try it out. So, but there's that. We got pineapple coconut body cream. Me and John, my best friend, we tried this out. Pineapple coconut. Seemed to be really good. We got Scent Circle and Luna. These are good for your car. Make your car smell really good. There's that. We got Go-Go Mango Hand Soap. Go-Go Mango Hand Soap. That's always real good to have. Put this in your bathroom, your guest bathroom, even in your kitchen, wherever you want to put that out. Take that little thing off. And should be ready to go. Make sure your lid's on good. Alright. Put that back on there. Oh. Later. You guys like my shirt? Alright. Put this back on here. Okay. We got Counter Clean and Squeeze the Day. Part of our cleaning line. And it smells real good. If you like lemon, this is great. That. My mom will love that. We got Amazon Rain Scentsy Pods. Amazon Rain Scentsy Pods. These go in, if I can find it. I don't see it, it must be down under there. These go in the new, let me see if I can find it for you guys. There it is. These go in the mini fan diffuser. So let's open this up. These are real cute. They're micro USB. And they're little fans you can put anywhere you have a USB plug in, your car, your desk, wherever. And these, I'll drop one more thing. These go in here just like this. And I bet they smell amazing. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to try it today sometime. So there's that. And guys, this is all in your Scentsy starter kit. Lots of good stuff. So if you decide you want to join Scentsy, make some extra cash, or start your own business, or have a career, this is an amazing kit. And if you want to join, make sure you go to my website to do that. So you can sign up under me. Okay. Now this is a transition kit since It's the spring, summer, spring, summer, and then fall, winter kit. So you get a little bit of extra stuff in this kit. You get the spring and summer catalog, which August 1st, some of this stuff will be retired or go away, and they'll bring new stuff in, of course. So you got those. Oh, you get a Scentsy bag, and it is lined. Inside is silver. You got a black raspberry vanilla wax bar. It smells good. Black raspberry vanilla. You got the fall winter catalogs, which some of you guys, I will be sending you these in your Happy Mail if you placed an order. Or if you live here in town, I can deliver you one. Alright, we got small sample bags, and they do say Scentsy on them. We got Fill Your Life with Fragrance, excuse me. This talks about wax, warmers and wax, diffusers and oils, fan diffusers and pods, and then air purifier and pods. So there's a little bit of information on those. Oh, we got some pineapple coconut vanilla body wash. We do have a body line. And pineapple coconut vanilla hand soap. We have some brochures on our cleaning line, our fresh and fragrant clean. This is this is right here. This would be in that line. And we have the body line, which is your body oil, lotions, creams, stuff like that. We have a pet line, some brochures on the pet line for your pets. We also have our cleaning, like laundry detergent, fabric softener, stuff like that. That's going to be some brochures on that. And anybody that places an order, I'll send this stuff with the thank you notes, just so you guys know. And then these are brochures on if you want to join Scentsy and become a Scentsy consultant. So there's that stuff. These will also go in the Happy Mail thank yous, or if you need to reorder or whatever. These are going to be everything that's in the catalog, all the warmers, the bulbs, everything like that. And then on the back, let me open this up for you guys. On the back, well, maybe. Let's see. Well, that didn't work, did it? Just don't want to open for me today. Anyway, on the back is going to be all the wax melts and different stuff like that. Essential oils, all that stuff. Well, maybe I can open it from this side. Let's see. There we go. Let me see. So on the front is all the diffusers, wax warmers, all that. Then on the back is going to be some more of the products that we have, like the Scentsy Buddies and stuff like that on the back, see? And then all your wax melts are going to be right here. Bakery, citrus, floral, fresh, fruity, spice, all that good stuff. Essential oils, natural oils, all that good stuff is going to be on here. So we got those. Then we got some samples for me to make Scentsy samples. They're in the shape of the waxes, so these are good to melt some of your wax bar if you want to, and dip it in there, and then it'll hold the scent. So when you send out thank yous or reorder mail, then this will be good for that. You got your welcome to Scentsy welcome guide. It has your welcome to Scentsy Life Consultant Guide. There. We got post some postcards. Don't miss your 4-month free trial of AMI Pro. Welcome. Product training guide. And congratulations on starting your business. Enjoy 20% off your first order of business cards. That's all that goes in there. Back in there. Stay in here. We got some more scratch and sniff stickers in black raspberry vanilla. So those are good for your mailings. And then we have one in Luna. That's also good for mail. Some big Scentsy bags for if you do parties or place orders and they come to you and then you take them to your client. We got eucalyptus lavender mint oil. This is an oil one, but it's also scratch and sniff. We got some of our cleaning line. So this is Clothesline Scent Soft. So this is like fabric softener. We got liquid laundry and clothesline. So that's like your detergent. We have a honey and chamomile pet shampoo sample. Lemon verbena dish soap sample. Smells really good, guys. And then we have clothesline washer whiffs. These are like those little beads you put in your washer for just extra smell good. So we got that. And we got order forms. Order forms for when you have parties or if you're just out and about, carry some with you, take some orders. Good. And of course the P Resistance is your free warmer, your Scentsy warmer. This one is Classic Curve in Glossy Gray. Go ahead and open that up. Here's the top. Can't wait to get this set up. Burn my Scentsy wax. And here's the warmer. It's your bulb. And your warmer. Alright guys, that is everything that's in this box. The box is huge and it's heavy. So that is everything that comes in your Scentsy kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If so, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. That is everything in the box. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a separate video of maybe like 10 of the scents from the spring summer collection. Some of those scents are gonna be a last chance scent, so they'll be gone pretty soon. August 1st, the fall winter scents will hit the website. So be sure to go check those out at sensational.scentsy.us. That's my personal website where you can buy from me, or you can join, or just go look around, whatever you want to do. And then it'll come directly to me and I can send out your thank you stuff. I will be sending out some happy mailings to people that have already ordered from me, and I would like to thank you guys for that. I think that is everything right now. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna get my stuff organized here, and you guys have a sensational rest of your day, and I will see you guys soon. See you later.